In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit QuickBooks categories. If you need to update the name, details, or settings for one of your categories in QuickBooks, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, sign into QuickBooks and make sure you're on your main dashboard. From there, look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the settings and management tools for your company file, so it's the starting point for a lot of administrative changes. After you click the gear icon, select Chart of Accounts. This will open the section where QuickBooks stores your account categories. Think of this as the master list of the accounts used to organize your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and other financial activity. If you've ever needed to clean up your bookkeeping or make your reports easier to understand, this is one of the key places you'll work in. Once you're in the chart of accounts, you'll see your list of account categories on the screen. Take a moment to locate the specific category you want to update. Depending on how many accounts you have, it may help to scan the list carefully so you choose the correct one before making any changes. When you find the category you want to edit, click the caret icon next to it. This will open a small menu with available actions for that account. From that menu, choose Edit. That will bring up the account details so you can make the changes you need. Now go ahead and update the category information. For example, you might be adjusting the account name or changing another detail that better matches how you want your records organized. As always, it's a good idea to review your changes before saving, especially if this category is already being used in transactions. Once everything looks right, click Save. And that's it. Your QuickBooks category has now been updated. That's all there is to it. As you can see, editing categories in QuickBooks only takes a few clicks, and keeping them accurate can make your bookkeeping much more organized and your reports easier to read.